Another tool available for this application is the Tape Pro Mud Box. The Mud Box has a lightweight body constructed from durable Lexan polycarbonate with stainless steel and aluminium components. Before use, check that the handle moves freely and controls the position of the creaser wheel and cutter, and that the creaser wheel moves freely. To remove the lid, pull back on the handle, then raise the rear of the lid and slide forward. The lid contains a mud flow adjuster to allow for different compound consistencies. Try an initial setting of 2 to 3 mm when fitted. Slide the tape spindle out and fit to a roll of tape. Replace the spindle and feed the paper tape into the body, under the mud retainer and out over the tape wheels. Replace the lid, leaving the back half an automatic taper. Use the same techniques, ensuring that the tape wheels rotate and do not drag. To cut the tape, lift the tape wheels off the wall and allow the cutter blade to rotate and rest against the tape. Reapply pressure to the wall and roll the mud box forward, cutting the tape. For internal joints, start at the bottom with the mud box bisecting the angle between the walls. Start with a longer tab of tape to allow for some dragging. Ensure both tape wheels are in contact with the walls and allow the creaser wheel to force the tape into the corner. Cut off using the same method. For ceilings, use the creaser wheel to help bed in the tape. After applying 300 mm, tilt the mud box so only one serrated drive wheel presses firmly on the ceiling. This will allow easier, smoother flow of tape and compound onto the ceiling with greater accuracy to stay on the joint. The compound applicator tube consists of an aluminium tube, a sealed piston rod and a special cone-shaped nozzle to maximise ease of operation. Before, all paper tape must be bedded in. For horizontals, start in the middle of the joint to avoid wrinkles as the tape stretches slightly. Applying the brake and sweeping the box away from the wall 300 mm from the end. Using the same technique, turn around and coat the remaining 300 mm. The handle brake use the Tape Pro corner roller. The corner roller beds the tape into the corner and forces out excess joint compound. Before use, check that the rollers spin freely and have some lateral movement. Check that no compound has built up behind the rollers. Place the roller into the middle of the corner and lightly run it up and down the joint a couple of times, with little pressure to ensure alignment. Then apply more pressure, ensuring that the handle bisects the angle between the two walls. By lifting the tape and inspecting the joint, we can see that the compound has been forced into the angle. Next, we must glaze off the excess compound. Position the corner finisher at the top of the internal, ensuring that you are bisecting the angle. Run down the joint to remove excess compound, stopping approximately 300 mm from the bottom of the angle. Turn the corner finisher around and finish off the angle. Apply pressure on the lid to force compound out through the finisher and run it up the joint. Reverse and finish off in the other direction, sweeping the tool away from the joint. The finisher applies compound and feathers the edges in one pass.